She even told me that our school was going to play a practice game against a rival school, and that my play...
My son never registered your marriage. You're not legally his wife. She danced with joy. I smiled and said, thank you, when she saw the papers I'd hidden for 8 years. Then, you get nothing in the divorce, my mother-in-law Linda said with a smirk, waving some papers in my face. My son... I kept folding laundry, staying calm. Thanks for letting me know, Linda, I said, taking out David's dress shirt. She slammed the papers onto my folded clothes.
I was able to get to the proper dimensions. Then I needed to do some offcuts on either end. After all,